Program number 16. Write a program to calculate in how many days. What you will calculate? How many days a work will be completed by three persons, A, B and C together. When A, B and C will work together, so then at a a work means one work, to complete that work, how many days it will take it. That part only we will calculate it. Okay. So next sentence is given, A, B, C take X days, Y days and Z days respectively to do the job alone. Means A takes X days, B take Y days and C takes Z days when they are doing the work alone. The formula to calculate the number of days if they work together is, here formula also has given when they will work together. Who will work together? A, B and C. So what the formula has given? XYZ divided by XY plus YZ plus XZ days, where X, Y and Z are given as input to the program. Because A's work is X days, B's work is Y days and C's work is Z days. Like this is given. Okay. So X, Y, Z, this is the days, that one will take as a input. So let's start. So see students, whenever like this questions is given and even variable also has mentioned X days, Y days and Z days, and here is also mentioned where X, Y and Z are given as input. So whenever given as input, what is written, that means we cannot take another variable as an input, right? We will take whatever the question says given, that means provided. So now first we will take X and X. Now tell me that X, Y, Z, these are the days. Can we take this as a float value? Tell me in the comment section. Can we write it? Half days also can. Okay, but half day here is not mentioned. So that is why we will write it only to the input data for integer data type. Why? Because it's a full day. 7 days, 6 days, like that. So X input into write in the quotation, enter X is a whose days, that is A. So enter A enter A's working day. Enter A's working day, right? Okay. Now just I'm copy this one, this sentence, because here for Y also we need and Z for also I need. So then Y, just paste it. Again press the enter it. Z, then paste it. Which one will change? Only the in the quotations value. A plus what will write? B. Because Y is a B's working days and Z is the C's working days, right? So A, B, C I have taken as an input. Now what we needed? Working together. So when they work together, we'll write something. Suppose I have written here work equal to, what the formula is given? X into Y into Z. So X into Y into Z divided by what that? X into Y, X into Y plus Y into Z plus X into Z. That means what? X, Y, Z, all the work together working days divided by X into Y, that means A with B's working days, then B with C's working days, and then A with C's working days. Now we'll call to the print command to fetching this data. Print work together. Now which variable will call? Work. Okay. Run command. Enter A working days. Suppose 3. B is 6. C is 2. So working day is when they will work together. What is that? Only 1 day. 1 day they require. Alone when they will work? A 3 days. Same for B is 6 days. For C it is 2 days. Okay. Now if just like formula is given xyz divided by xy plus yz plus xz as written, if I write same as it is, just check it. Okay. Same, we will write it here. This one I am giving to the comment section. Okay. Let me check it will run the program or not. Okay. Enter working days. Same I am taking now 3. These working days 6. C's working days 2. What is that? Error. Why? Name error. Name XYZ is not defined. Why? See, systems will not understand that this is X multiply Y multiply Z. It is taking as a whole keyword. Whole keyword means one variable. So that's why it is coming to the error. X, Y, Z. It's not taking the different. It's taking as a one variable. Okay, one variable. And here X is different, Y is different, and Z is different. That's why X multiply Y multiply Z is required. Okay, so here has not mentioned, but you understand that. Okay, this multiply is there, but computer cannot understand that. So that's why we need to put the formula in the multiply.